This is probably the hottest phone of the year. It launched on the same day as iPhone 16 and within 1 hour of launch, there were more than 3 million pre-orders. And it's not even a budget phone. The base variant of this phone costs 2,37,000 rupees. So what makes people go crazy about this phone? Well, this.
Take me out to Paris. Fly me out to Paris. Fly me out to Paris, I'm the baddest. I just want the money I can manage.
This is the world's first triple folding phone that makes foldable look outdated. I mean, just look at this. There are 3 displays and 2 hinges, and when unfolded, it's also the world's thinnest phone ever. Yup, just 3.6mm thick. This is the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate, and this is truly the peak of smartphone innovation. But before I talk about this phone, let's just talk about the unboxing experience, because you get a lot of stuff in this box. First of all, there's the phone, obviously, a thoughtfully designed protective case, a 66-watt charger, a Type-C to C cable, another Type-A to C cable, a wireless TWS that looks like an egg, a SIM ejector tool, and there's even an 88-watt car charger. While brands have started removing even the stickers from their boxes, this is a nice change. Okay, so when I first took this phone out of the box, it screams premium with this golden color sides, vegan leather back, the diamond cut camera module, and obviously this huge screen. It's probably one of the heaviest phone out there, but when unfolded, the in-hand feel is so good that you don't feel the thickness or the weight. Now this is how the phone looks in all its glory. There's a massive 10.2-inch 3K OLED display that looks stunning. And after the first fold, you do lose some estate, but you're still left with a big 7.9-inch 2K plus display. And even after the third fold, you get the usual 6.4-inch display, which is comfortable enough for normal day-to-day usage. Also, the first fold is a bit tricky because normal folding phones fold like this, and we try to fold it the same way, but it goes like this. I think this probably happens with everyone who tries this phone for the first time. Now, my favorite thing about this third screen is using it in the stand mode while I watch some videos. And just look at the transition. When I fold this screen a little over 90 degrees, it turns off and can be used as a stand. Cool, isn't it? And when fully folded, this part of the screen is always exposed to scratches, and that's where the bundle case comes in very handy. It's designed very intelligently to protect this part of the screen when it's folded. And not just that, the case also comes with a stand that's rotatable, so you can place this phone at any angle or even fully unfolded to enjoy your movies and shows comfortably. And speaking of the movies, they look absolutely gorgeous on the full display, and the speakers are also placed thoughtfully for a better surround sound experience. It's fully immersive and honestly the best use of this huge screen. By the way, you do see the crease, but the hinges are very sturdy and they can stay at any angle, which is really awesome. The internal bending is like any other foldable, but the external bending closes more sturdily as there are magnets on the frame to ensure it's always intact. And yeah, Huawei says that it can last over 300,000 folds, which should be good because it folds twice. Now, one more surprising thing about this phone is that this packs a 5600 mAh battery. Yes, it's split into 3 different segments to make sure it fits within the 3.6mm of thickness. And there's wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging built in. So yeah, that's the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate. It's the world's first triple folding phone. It's also the world's thinnest phone and probably the heaviest. And yeah, it's the most trending phone of 2024. It's only available in China right now, but we got it for you guys, so hit the like button so that we can keep making such awesome videos. See, everything is not great with this phone. As the cameras are not the best, the processor is also outdated, it's still running on Android 12, and there's no water resistance as well. But the innovation that this company brings is definitely exciting. If you just take a look at 2024 launches, the majority of Android flagships are just minor upgrades. In some of the phones, you can't even tell the difference. And if I talk about the iPhones, Apple thinks that adding camera shutter button is innovation, but we all know if that really is. So in a world where smartphones are getting boring, this is the most exciting and innovative phone of 2024, and I just love it. So yeah, that's it from my side. Which phone do you think is the most exciting and innovative phone in the last couple of years? Tell us in comments, and I'll see you in the next one.
Fly me out to